If your closet is full of statement pieces, you owe it to a factory you've probably never heard of. This place isn't just making fabric, it's setting trends. Curious? Let's go inside. Step inside and you'll feel it. This isn't your grandma's sewing room. Imagine robots spinning silk at lightning speed, artisans hand-painting patterns, and scientists cooking up the next big textile breakthrough. This factory is a launchpad for fashion's boldest dreams. Every thread here is a blend of tradition and technology. Some machines are over a century old, weaving with the same care as Parisian ateliers. Next door, AI-powered looms dreaming up patterns that no human ever has. It's the past and the future, side by side. But it's not just about the fabric. Sustainability is woven into everything. Solar panels power the machines, dye is recycled, and zero waste is the goal. When the world's biggest brands, think Chanel, Versace, or Gucci, want a fabric that turns heads and saves the planet, they call here first. So next time you spot a jaw-dropping runway look, remember, it probably started right here where innovation is always in style. Because in fashion, it's not just about what you wear, it's about what's next.